Aging brings changes. Our bodies slow down, routines shift, and sometimes life feels different. For many seniors, incontinence is one of those changes, yet it remains an unspoken struggle. But why the embarrassment? Incontinence is natural, just like needing reading glasses or using a walking cane. Still, so many suffer in silence, afraid to talk about it. The truth is, over 1/3 of seniors experience some form of bladder weakness. It's a common part of aging, caused by muscle weakening, slowed reflexes, or even medical conditions. But with the right support, aging doesn't have to mean discomfort or restriction. With the right protection, seniors can continue living their best lives with dignity and confidence. The right incontinence products ensure uninterrupted sleep, fresh mornings, and freedom to move without worry. Without the right care, incontinence can lead to skin issues, discomfort, and even social withdrawal. But it doesn't have to be this way. Choosing the right diaper depends on comfort, mobility, and level of support needed. Tape diapers provide full coverage for those needing assistance. Pants-style diapers offer independence and ease for active seniors. And Night Diapers give maximum absorption for peaceful sleep. The right diaper means more confidence, better comfort, and an active, fulfilling life. Whether it's for full support, independence, or nighttime security, there's a perfect fit for every need. Key takeaways. 1. Incontinence is a natural part of aging. It happens due to muscle weakening, slowed reflexes, or medical conditions. It's nothing to be ashamed of, and many seniors experience it. 2. The right protection maintains dignity and comfort. Incontinence products aren't just about absorbing leaks. They help seniors stay confident, mobile, and socially engaged. 3. Choosing the right diaper matters. Different lifestyles and needs require different types of protection. The right choice ensures maximum comfort and ease of use. Visit our bio to find the best incontinence solutions because dignity is priceless.